Hello everyone, my name is Luna and today I'm reading a book about blizzards. The Great White Hurricane. On a March Sunday in 1888, it began to rain in New York. The temperature dropped quickly as night fell. The rain turned to ice, then to snow. On Monday, people woke to howling winds. Snow piled high in the streets. The Great White Hurricane lasted 3 long days. The storm buried the northeastern United States. When it was over, more than 400 people had died. The storm caused millions of dollars in damage. It would be summer before the last of the snow would melt. The blizzard of 1888 was one of the worst storms in history. Extreme storms. 3 things turn a snowstorm into a blizzard: strong winds, blinding snow, and freezing cold. In a blizzard, winds blow at speeds of 35 miles, 56 kilometers per hour. They blow for at least 3 hours. Wind gusts may even reach a hurricane force of 75 miles, 119 kilometers per hour or more. The winds whip snow through the air, making it hard to see. This is known as a whiteout. A whiteout is when no one can see anything more than a quarter of a mile. 402 miles away. Safe travel is nearly impossible during a whiteout. Blowing winds also create something called wind chill. Wind chill causes the body to lose heat faster. Skin feels like it is in air that is much colder. Wind chill can cause bare skin to freeze. Burst of a blizzard. Blizzards begin as snowstorms. A layer of moist, warm air meets cold air. Clouds form, and the water in them freezes into flakes. The flakes fall from the sky as snow. Blizzard country. Blizzards can happen anywhere there is snow. There is a greater chance of them happening in some places than others. The East Coast of the United States is one such place. Storms called nor'easters often hit this area. A nor'easter can last for several days and bring lots of snow. Sometimes a snowstorm begins in western Canada. It then travels quickly across the American plains and heads east. This type of storm is called an Alberta clipper. Clippers don't bring a lot of snow. They are known instead for their strong winds and biting cold. Many of North America's blizzards start out as snowstorms that are nor'easters or aurora clippers, being prepared and staying safe. The mix of wind, snow, and cold makes blizzards dangerous. Years ago, blizzards caught people by surprise. Today, it is easier to know when and where blizzards will strike next. Goodbye.